Welcome to day 5 of Band Potato 30 Days of Clarinet. This is the buns. You have 3 notes, E, D, and C. Look at the fingering, look up the notes, and you'll get this. This is an easy first song. Hot Cross Buns. For clarinet, it is E, D, C. And then it does it again. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, E, D, C. It's just 3 notes. Start from the beginning. 1, 2, ready, and